We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.